Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to subscribe for Amazon Kindle Ultimate, right? Unlimited, I mean. So here the first thing is that you have to just go to your Kindle Unlimited website. If you don't get it, you can just go to Google and search for it. You'll get this here. Now here we have to just go and click on sign in. Now once we just go and click on sign in, here you can see this Amazon and Kindle is a product of Amazon. So you don't need to create another account for Kindle. You can use your Amazon account here. So I will use my Amazon account, and in this way I can get into Amazon Kindle. Now once I have logged in our account here, we will get this option of 30 days free trial, as you can see here, for absolutely zero. And after the 30 days free trial, we have to pay around 169 rupees. It could be different depending upon country to country. Now if I just go and click on join Kindle Unlimited here, let's say I just go and click on it. I have to add my debit or credit card, right, for the payment of next month. And this will just check whether I've added a proper account or not. So this is only, they will send me around 2 rupees, and they will just get it back, right? So this is here, and make sure you are selected here free trial auto renewal, right? And here's some of the other plans. If you just go and buy 6 month plan, 1 month plan here, so even though if you just buy 1 month plan, you will get 30 days free trial too. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.